Hello, and welcome back to the channel. This is the first video of 2021, and I'm really excited for what's to come this year. This video is kind of a PSA on what's going on, and it's also later in the video, it's going to be information on the 5K giveaway, so stay tuned for that. You're definitely going to want to hear it. By the way, thank you all for 5,000 subscribers. We were actually able to hit it before New Year's Day, so that's why this video is out here explaining what the giveaway is. But I'm actually going to be starting off the video with a surprising announcement. As you may be noticing, there's a spot open on my shelf right there. That's because I've been working on something. But there's not just going to be a standalone helmet video on that because I'm making a whole costume right now. You want to get a little sneak peek? Alright, let's show you. Think pretty cool, right? That's gonna be coming out, as it said, sometime in February. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna be away for most of the time, so pretty much just all the time I have at home, I'm gonna be working on it. So that's why I'm giving myself a longer amount of time. And this will actually segue right into the giveaway. So with the 5K giveaway, my plan is to give you guys until this video comes out to enter, because it's gonna be a little bit of a different way. So I'm gonna give you some time in February. I'll let you know when that video is going to drop, so there'll be a deadline for the giveaway. What the giveaway is going to entail is you're gonna make a helmet and then send me a picture
on Instagram
at RJR Productions. Maybe go drop a follow. Oh, and I have no idea if there's any messaging on TikTok, but I have TikTok, so you can also find me at RJR_Productions there. And send me something on there too. Maybe that'll work. And I'm not gonna be judging on whether it looks like the best helmet. I'm just gonna be judging on like creativity and if I think it looks pretty cool. I'm going to be picking my top 5, and then those 5 will go into a community post poll where you guys will select the winner, and then they'll pick which helmet they want me to make. I'm not gonna be giving away one of these ones. I'm gonna make a brand new one, and then I'll send that out to them. And in case you didn't get all that, I'm gonna be writing this down and then posting it on a community post so you can check back on it. You'll probably have about a month and a half to get this work done, and then I'll be selecting my top 5 favorites, and you guys will be picking the winner. Again, sorry for the different video. I just haven't had enough time to finish the whole Boba Fett costume yet. But that's what I'm making next, so better look forward to that. I got some big plans for this year, and I'm really excited to see how far we can grow throughout 2021. And as you may know, for the past couple of props I've done, and for this up-and-coming Boba Fett costume, I've been doing a lot of Mandalorian projects. But I'm going to kind of stray away from the Mandalorian right now, whether it's relating to that Batch TV show that's going to drop, or just things that you guys want me to do. So leave suggestions down below on what you want me to do. And at 7,500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another Q&A, so that's another thing to look forward to. We should be getting there in a couple months. But with all that said, I hope I've given you guys something to look forward to, whether it's the Boba Fett costume or the 5K giveaway. And I'll be seeing you all very soon. Well, it's actually not very soon, but maybe I'll be posting a little video in a minute about a little bit of technique work. If you've seen these in my videos, yes, that's right, I'm going to be doing a dome video. This video is probably going to post within the next couple of weeks. So that's also something to look forward to. But the next video that is to come will definitely be one of my best ones so far, and I'm really hoping that it will perform well because I'm putting a lot of time into it. So stay tuned for that. This has been RJR Productions, signing off. Till sometime in February, maybe a little bit earlier. I just really don't know at this point. Bye!
Some of you, let's just say attentive viewers that were watching my last video about 2020, realized that I said Boba Fett at the very end of the video, and I'm thinking that's something I'm probably going to be doing, just revealing a little tidbit on my next video at the end of the videos. But there's not really anything to go on this one, so I'll just see you guys next time.